In the cashew orchards, the harvest begins as raw cashew nuts fall onto collection nets, the very first step in the long journey of cashew processing. As the harvester unloads thousands of raw cashew nuts, workers carefully monitor the flow to ensure a clean and efficient collection.
After harvesting, the raw cashew nuts are transported in large trailer loads, beginning their journey from orchard to processing plant.
At the processing plant, every incoming load of cashew nuts is weighed and recorded before entering the main facility.
Here, raw cashew nuts are unloaded directly into the intake system, where the first stage of processing begins. Once inside the plant, the raw cashew nuts move quickly along the conveyors to begin their cleaning and processing stages.
As the cashews fall onto the sorting belt, debris is separated, preparing the nuts for controlled mechanical processing.
This machine cracks open the tough cashew shells with precision, protecting the delicate kernels inside. Here, the shaker table separates loose shell pieces, leaving cleaner cashew kernels ready for further processing.
Under bright inspection lights, the cashew kernels move upward for advanced sorting and quality control. This high-speed optical sorter scans every cashew kernel, identifying defects with incredible accuracy.
High-pressure air jets remove defective cashew kernels instantly, ensuring only high-quality nuts move forward. Falling through advanced sensors, each cashew kernel is scanned for size and quality before moving to the next stage.
The rotating drum filters out small shell pieces and separates cashews by size for the next processing stage.
The cashews spread out on a vibrating channel, allowing precise separation and smooth movement into the next machine.
These UV lights disinfect the cashew kernels, reducing microbial load before they continue deeper into processing. High-speed optical cameras scan each cashew from below, detecting even the smallest surface defects.
Compressed air jets remove the defective cashew kernels instantly, keeping only the best nuts on the line.
After sorting, the clean cashew kernels collect in stainless steel hoppers, ready for the next stage of processing.
The roller machine gently presses the cashews, removing any remaining shell pieces and preparing them for higher-grade sorting. These rubberized rollers apply gentle pressure, helping remove stubborn shell fragments without harming the kernels.
The vibrating deck separates any leftover shells, ensuring only clean cashew kernels continue onward.
A stainless steel conveyor transports the cashew kernels smoothly, keeping the production line moving efficiently.
Here, clean water washes the cashew kernels thoroughly, preparing them for the blanching and drying stages.
In this water flume, the cashew kernels are gently cleaned as they float through a controlled stream.
The washed cashew kernels drain on a mesh belt, shedding excess water before entering the heat processing stage.
In the roasting chamber, cashew kernels are exposed to intense heat, developing their signature flavor and texture.
Inside the roasting tunnel, heating elements surround the cashew kernels, ensuring even drying and roasting.
After roasting, the hot cashews move onto cooling belts, where excess heat escapes before seasoning or packaging.
Powerful cooling jets remove excess heat and steam, preparing the cashews for inspection and quality control.
The NIR sensor analyzes each cashew's moisture and quality levels with precision, ensuring consistent product standards. High-speed air jets remove any foreign material detected by the NIR system, keeping the cashews perfectly clean. Powerful cooling fans reduce the temperature of the roasted cashews, preparing them for final sorting and flavoring.
From the upper conveyor, the cashew kernels drop into transfer chutes that guide them deeper into the processing line.
The multi-lane optical sorter scans thousands of cashew kernels per minute, ensuring maximum accuracy and efficiency.
Pneumatic ejectors remove remaining defects instantly, guaranteeing consistent quality in the final cashew batch.
The sorted cashews travel smoothly on perforated belts, keeping the product clean and moving efficiently toward final processing.
The cashews enter a high-capacity processing unit,
where they undergo controlled treatment before final grading and seasoning. Here, the cashews are guided into single-file lanes, allowing precise inspection and consistent grading.
The cashews drop into the next stage of production, maintaining a continuous and efficient flow along the line.
The vibrating channels distribute cashew kernels evenly, keeping the flow controlled and efficient for downstream processing. The cashews fall into hopper chutes that temporarily collect or redirect them for the next stage of processing. Under bright inspection lights, workers ensure that only clean, properly roasted cashews continue down the production line. In this rotating drum, cashews are mixed evenly as they enter the next heating or seasoning stage.
Inside the mixer, a rotating arm gently turns the cashews, ensuring even coating and consistent texture.
As the mixer rotates, a thin layer of seasoning or oil coats every cashew, giving them flavor and shine.
The laser scanner analyzes each cashew with pinpoint accuracy, detecting flaws that other systems might miss. Fresh from seasoning, the warm cashews pour out of the mixer with rich aroma and perfect coating. In the rotary coating drum, cashews tumble repeatedly, receiving a perfectly even layer of seasoning. The internal paddles lift and tumble the cashews, guaranteeing complete and even distribution of seasoning. The mixing arm rotates with precision, lifting and folding the cashews so every kernel receives consistent seasoning.
As the cashews exit the coating drum, they cool on a mesh conveyor to lock in flavor and texture.
The vibrating cooling bed spreads the cashews evenly, allowing cool air to reduce their temperature efficiently.
As the shaker table vibrates, the cashews fall in a smooth stream, moving onward to the next stage of processing. The cashews pour into the funnel hopper, where they are guided into precise feeders for accurate portioning. The mixer adds a fine layer of seasoning, coating every cashew evenly for a rich flavor profile.
The cleated elevator belt lifts the seasoned cashews to the upper level for drying and final processing.
Precision spray nozzles apply a light layer of oil or flavoring, giving the cashews a consistent and glossy finish.
In the stainless steel bowl mixer, the cashews tumble continuously to achieve perfect coating and texture.
In the drying tunnel, warm air removes excess moisture from the coated cashews, setting their final texture.
After drying, the cashews cool quickly under high-powered fans, locking in their flavor and crunch.
The finished cashews travel toward the packaging line, ready for weighing, filling, and sealing. A metal detector checks every cashew batch, ensuring the product is completely free from contamination. The cashews enter the form fill seal machine, where automated systems prepare the pouches for precise filling.
The conveyor feeds the cashews into the precision weighing system, ensuring each bag receives the exact amount.
The automated scale measures exactly 500 grams of cashews for each package, ensuring perfect portion control.
A high-speed camera inspects each 500-gram batch, verifying quality before the cashews are bagged.
The filling nozzles release each measured batch into precise pouches, ready for sealing.
The vibrating feeder tray spreads the cashews evenly, preparing them for accurate dosing and filling.
The dosing cups release each portion with precision, ensuring every package receives the correct amount.
The hopper collects fresh batches of cashews, regulating the flow for the next step in packaging. The cashews drop smoothly into pre-made bags, ensuring clean and accurate filling every time. The brown paper film is shaped into a seamless tube, preparing each bag for accurate cashew filling. Inside the VFFS machine, the film forms a complete bag tube, ready for filling.
Each finished bag drops gently onto the conveyor, ready for sealing checks and labeling.
The heat-sealing jaws close each bag securely, locking in freshness and protecting the cashews.
The check weigher confirms each bag's exact weight, ensuring consistent product quality every time.
A high-precision laser prints the expiration date and batch code on every bag for full traceability.
The sealing jaws apply a strong, airtight closure, ensuring freshness is fully preserved. The laser marks each bag with sharp, permanent codes, ensuring full product traceability. A camera verification system scans each QR code to ensure perfect readability and traceability.
The carton erector shapes flat sheets into sturdy boxes, preparing them for packaging.
A robotic arm packs each bag with precision, arranging them neatly inside the cartons.
The robotic dropper places each bag into the carton gently and evenly, maintaining perfect packing order. The automatic taping machine seals each carton firmly, preparing it for labeling and palletizing. The tape roller secures the top seam with precision, ensuring every carton is perfectly sealed. The pneumatic arm places each label with perfect accuracy, ensuring every carton is clearly identified. The robotic palletizer lifts and stacks each box with absolute precision, building perfectly aligned pallets.
The yellow robotic arm stacks each box with perfect precision, building strong and uniform pallets. The pallet wrapper secures the entire load with tight, even layers of stretch film for safe transport. The forklift operator lifts the freshly wrapped pallet with steady, controlled precision. The forklift transports the wrapped pallet through the warehouse aisles with controlled precision. The pallet is placed on the floor scale, confirming a total weight of 1,250 kilograms.
A handheld scanner verifies the pallet's barcode, ensuring accurate tracking in the system.
The worker inspects the pallet wrap to confirm every corner is secure and transport ready.
The loading dock door opens, revealing an empty trailer ready to receive the cashew pallets. The forklift carries the pallet into the trailer, beginning the final stage of outbound loading.
The forklift operator positions the pallet securely inside the trailer, ensuring balanced load distribution. The forklift reverses out of the trailer smoothly, completing the pallet placement safely. The worker closes and secures the rear doors, preparing the truck for departure.
The loaded semi-truck pulls away from the dock, beginning its journey to distribution.
The fully loaded truck passes through the security gate, cleared for outbound delivery.
The truck reverses toward the receiving dock with careful guidance from the dock worker. The worker unlocks and opens the container door, preparing for pallet unloading. The forklift operator unloads the pallet carefully, ensuring a smooth and safe transition out of the trailer.
The forklift raises the pallet high into the warehouse racks, placing it into long-term storage. The quality inspector opens a carton to examine the packaged cashews for accuracy and seal integrity. The inspector carefully cuts open the carton, preparing to check the cashew packages inside.
The worker removes the foil bag for inspection, checking its integrity and protective sealing.
The cashew bag is weighed to verify accuracy and meet strict packaging standards.
The tier strip is opened carefully, allowing inspection of the cashews inside the sealed package. A wide view of the warehouse shows rows of neatly stacked cashew pallets awaiting distribution. The worker checks the tablet to confirm the exact rack location of the Pimin batch cashew inventory.
The forklift retrieves the selected pallet from the high rack with controlled precision. The forklift places the pallet onto the automated transfer station for downstream handling.
The worker sets the box onto the gravity rollers, allowing it to move smoothly to the next station.
The cashew boxes move along the powered roller conveyor, advancing smoothly to the next stage.
The strapping machine applies firm plastic bands to secure the pallet for safe transportation.
The strapping head seals the plastic band securely, creating a strong and durable hold.
The worker uses a manual pallet jack to pull the cashew pallet into the truck safely and steadily.
The blue semi-truck leaves the facility, carrying the cashew shipment toward its final destination.